Hi, it's Teresa here, and I thought I would show you guys the chaos in my room. Every time I get stuff straight, it goes crazy, and then I buy more stuff, and then I have to put stuff away, and I don't. So I'm just going to do a quick video and show you guys all the crud. This is before. I am in the process of trying to get all of this done before kids come home from college. Or at least my daughter come home from college. My son doesn't have as much stuff. But yeah, there's a lot. This isn't even all of it. I am a hoarder of fabric and paper and random craft supplies. I mean, yeah. So I will do little videos here and there to show progress, and then I will do a final review of what's where, and hopefully within 2 weeks this will be done. We'll see about how the fibro and pain is, but yeah, that's not even counting my closet or the stuff in my kids' room. Dang, I have too much. Hello. Okay, so I am back with an update on the room, and it's been a little while. I did too much the first day, so yesterday I just rested, but this is what I got so far. We have all of this emptied, and I moved all of these over and switched that around so I can use that as an ironing table. As you can see, it really opened up this area, which I really like. I switched this around and have all of my paper and stuff down here. There's still a lot more to put there. I'm gonna get a couple more of these little containers and put them in here. I emptied most of that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the rest of this. Maybe I might put some plastic containers in there to help store my colored fabric. I don't know yet. Still thinking on that. So by moving these, sorry, I don't mean to, it made my walkway a little less, which I actually like because it's going to force me to keep this area clean. And then we come into this area, and I have done quite a bit. I have organization stuff down there to finish. My desk is still trashed. My office space is still trashed, but that's okay. But we get over here, and I have redid all this bottom, which I love, and I still have more open, and I still have more cubbies to go through. But let me show you what I have so far. So these were my, they're my containers that I hold, my paper, all of them, there's folders, all that kind of goodies that I like to use in my journals, for my journals. Same with down there. I have one that will be right here that is going to be filled with scrap paper, and once that's full, I have to use it, or I might just gift it to somebody. I don't know yet. And then I still need to get through this and this and this area, but it's coming along really well. I just wanted to show you guys and get this part up. We will have more. I will set up and show you guys exactly while I'm working for others. But then the last thing is down here. I bought these little containers at, I can't remember what store, Home Goods. And I like them, but they're hard to take apart. So I'm going to be stacking them. So this has my extra Tim Holtz stuff that I haven't opened yet. And some of it is set up for giveaways when I hit milestones or birthdays or whatever. I always like to do a giveaway on my birthday. And then this one is going to just be like scrap fabric that I like to use for my journals. This is scrap paper and then regular paper, book page and then regular paper. And so I'll probably stack those up and put it in something like right here or one of those journal places. So yeah, that's about where I'm at. I hope this inspires you to organize or rearrange your room. I am constantly rearranging this room, this little space. If something doesn't work, I just change it and do it. I really love this setup though. This I am in love with. I bought all these crates at Michael's and I just love them. So I hope you all have a fabulous day and I will see y'all next time. Bye.